Hello everyone, my name is Brock and I'm with LA Custom Grill Islands. We recently just finished this custom barbecue island, and as you can see on the back side we put a teak wood finish, and on the countertop we installed a neolith porcelain slab countertop. Yes, porcelain just like tile, but the difference is this is one big giant slab and you don't have any grout lines that you have to deal with. Another thing being porcelain is that it's maintenance free. Cleanup is very easily with the neolith slabs, and it's a great little feature to have on a barbecue island. One other thing that kind of makes this island unique is that we custom built the edging here so that it aligned with the stairs going down, and it aligns on this side matching up with the fence line. A few other unique features with this barbecue island is that all of our barbecue islands come standard with what we call a toe kick. Just like your indoor kitchen, your foot slips underneath there. You don't have to worry about kicking the bottom of the island as you're cooking. A lot of other companies usually put what they call a kick plate, and that's basically just something that goes in front, and people usually end up kicking the kick plate off the front of the island. That's why the toe kicks are a nice little feature. Another nice feature is we have what we call countertop pull-up outlets. Whenever you need power, you just lift it right out of the countertop. When you're done with it, you push it right back down. It saves the feature of having some type of box on the front of your island like you see on some of the front of houses. So it gives it a nice clean finish. Another unique feature about this barbecue island is we installed the customer's Kalamazoo Grill. This is an actual grill cart, so we have it cut out on the inside of the island. This thing slipped inside there, and then we did all the finishing all the way up to it. So we can do any barbecue island and install a grill cart or an actual built-in grill to go inside the island. Please check out this island and other islands on our website at lagrillislands.com or give us a call, area code 626-628-7405. Thank you.